We're already eating because this morning in Today Food we have culinary royalty in the house. Lidia Bastianich, she is an award-winning chef. She has been teaching us how to master Italian recipes for more than 2 decades now. And ladies and gentlemen, she is out with her 16th cookbook today. It is called Lidia's The Art of Pasta. Features more than 100 recipes, and she's gonna show us 2 that are just perfect for weeknight meals. Before we dig in, first of all, welcome back.
Thanks, Craig.
We always love when you're here. They're already eating. These two put me to work.
Okay.
How do you know? Because there's so many different pasta options.
There's more than 120 different shapes of pasta.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know that. I knew there were a lot. But how do you know when to use which type?
Exactly. That's what I'm going to help you in the book, I tell you. But also common sense. You know, you make a nice chunky sauce. You want some tubular pasta.
Okay.
That kind of. You want something like this, pesto or something. You want this pesto to go all around. Maybe the cavatappi like that. The orecchiette up front there. That's the orecchiette with broccoli di rapa, the pugliese, the traditional. It sort of kind of scoops the sauce. And here we have fresh pasta, nice buttery sauce, tomato sauce, gnocchi, a little tomato.
For me.
That's part of the...
No one knows pasta like Lidia.
Yeah.
All right, what are we making this morning?
So we're going to make 2 pastas. You know, this book, I have more than 100 different recipes of pastas.
Okay.
And I go everywhere from dry pasta, fresh pasta, gnocchi, stuffed pasta, stuffed pasta.
What is this one? This is amazing.
Pasta. That's the gnocchi. That's the second pasta.
Okay. In order to dress the simplicity, I have some spinach and some basil here. Okay. I'm going to put some... You're going to put some garlic in there.
Garlic goes in.
Okay. Put a little bit of salt.
A little salt.
I'm watching you, you know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is that enough salt or more?
That's enough. You can always add salt. Always be careful.
Always be careful.
Because you can always add salt. But make sure you have salt in the pasta water.
Always.
Okay. You can put a little bit of oil.
Little olive oil there.
Yeah.
All right.
And why don't you grate a little bit of lemon zest just to give it a freshness, you know?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, lemon always gives...
I don't know that we have to do this.
That's
what I do when I grate my lemon at home.
Okay. And then you bang on the grater so you see...
man, that's why you're the pro.
Okay. You want to... You usually put that on?
Yeah.
The other way around.
So good.
Okay.
We only got 5 minutes.
Now.
There we go.
Okay.
All right.
Now. Go ahead.
That's unplugged in. All right, so pretend that's all made.
Well, you got to put oil.
Okay.
And you zoom. Now, look at this.
Now, this turns into that.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Pull out this. This is the pasta. I put the pasta before. And I clean the broccoli.
Okay.
Keep it up. Keep it up. No, show them. You see?
You put the broccoli in there?
Right. That's another tip. You cook the pasta halfway, and then you throw your vegetables in. Here I use broccoli.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
So that flavors the pasta.
Absolutely. Flavors. Wait just a second.
Sorry.
This fish out more.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I didn't know you wanted
Go ahead.
Didn't know you wanted me to put
They're watching. They
just
want to
like
see
home.
the whole thing.
Just like home.
Get all the broccolis.
You want to finish that joke?
Don't leave any broccolis behind. I would say, look.
Okay. All right, so we got to get to the other pasta. I want to make sure I leave time.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just all of it?
Yeah. No, well, again, go ahead. Put.
Yes, ma'am.
But, always, whenever you put, don't put everything in always. Always leave a little. Go ahead, mix it. Give it a good mix.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
This is so good.
And then we add a little Parmesan.
Wait, to mix all the pasta. Now I need some more sauce. Take a look.
Yes, ma'am.
You know what?
I want to get to this.
What's your hurry?
Well, because this is television, Lydia. We only have
too much time with the food processor.
Eat nice and comfortable, in peace, enjoy, family together at the table. Where are you running to?
This is not the Food Network. Okay. Tell me about gnocchi. Tell me about this gnocchi.
Okay, now you can put...
You made this by hand, didn't you?
Yeah.
Of course.
I had some help here. You had a good...
Amazing.
And clean after yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
How did you make this?
The gnocchi is,
Isn't that delicious?
Potatoes and flour and egg and some cooked spinach chopped.
How do you keep it so light, Lydia? Because it can be dense.
Gnocchis, and I go through all of these in the book. It's simple, straight instructions that everybody can make, because I'm concerned. I want the viewers to make, if they buy the book, I want them to make a good meal for the family, for the table. And the gnocchi making light is not putting too much flour. So you get the potatoes, you rice them, you open them up, salt them, and let them cool. Then you put the flour on top and you mix them. Don't overmix them. This is not like the other dough where you have to mix and make the gluten. Tell me,
Really quick
Greg,
question. Yes, ma'am. And I don't want you to get angry at my question.
No.
Could you add a protein to that? Would it be okay?
You're so brilliant.
You're right.
Says no one ever to me.
So listen, here you have, and this is what I love. I love for the viewers, the cooks that get inventive.
Yeah.
You can add shrimps to here, cook it together.
There you
go.
You can add scallops.
Huh?
Just don't overcook them. Just don't overcook them.
you.
Delicious.
Okay? You have potential.
Oh, got potential. Lydia's new cookbook, her 16th, The Art of Pasta, is out today. We love you, Lidia. For these recipes, it's today.com/food. If you've ever dreamed of tasting the dishes that you see on the show,
So good.
you can now. As part of Today Fan Fest, next week we are hosting one night only Taste of Today celebration right here in New York City. It's going to be over at Platform by the James Beard Foundation. For some information on how to get your ticket, you can check out today.com/fanfest.